Hello, my name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am so happy that you stopped by today, and I hope that you enjoy yourself enough to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy you came back, and I hope that everybody's day is off to a very great start. So, today I'm in my bathroom. And I am in here because I have done my bathroom vignette for the season, which is spring. Now, this is a challenge that's hosted by Saving with Mrs Vee. If you're not familiar with her channel, I'm going to link it below. And once you get done with this video, you'll want to head right over her way. Check out her channel, check out her video, and I am sure that you will decide to subscribe. She does a lot of home decor, she does DIYs, and she does a lot on saving money. Everybody wants to save money, so head on over to her channel once you're done here. So what Ms. V has done is she's asked us to do a seasonal decor vignette for our bathroom, and this is something that we do 4 times a year, and this is probably my favorite one because it's spring. I love the spring. I love to bring in color, and that's just exciting for me. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what I put up for this particular season. All right, so what I did was very simple. I hauled this tray that I picked up at Ross during the 49-cent sale. I think it was $6.49 or something like that. It has gold seahorses on it, and I just love this tray. So I put this in my bathroom for my vignette. I have a bless sign here that I got from Dollar Tree. I have a candle, which is Marshmallow Fireside, my absolute favorite candle. I picked this up from the Bath and Body Works sales, and I stock up on them. I burn those year round. They smell so delicious. I have them on a clear glass riser that I picked up from Home Goods recently in a haul. And I have my fresh flowers. This is my favorite part of spring, is that I began to bring in cut flowers in my home, and I like to put them in, the bathroom and the kitchen. I just like the look of the fresh flowers. I recognize they don't last long, but it's just something about them that just brightens my mood. So that's what I did. I put the flowers there, and then I have 2 perfume bottles here. So that's all I did for my vignette. I hope you like it. I am really enjoying the spring look of it and the brightening of my bathroom. I just switched out of, I had red accents in here that I'd had in here really since Christmas. So it's really exciting to see spring decor coming in. So here we go. I hope you like it. I will have Mrs. Vee's channel linked below, as well as the playlist for this challenge. Please be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.